In this video I'm going to show you how you can blur in Canva. So let's open a new project. Let's say we want to create a YouTube thumbnail. And let's find an image that we can blur. Let's put this as the background. And to blur this image, you have to click it, and then you want to click Edit Photo, and then you want to scroll down to Effects, and here you want to click Blur. And inside here it's two possibilities. You can either add blur to a part of the image, or you can add blur to the whole image. So let's just I'm going to show the whole image first. So the way to do this is actually to just remove this or adjust this intensity slider, and as you can see, we now put blur on this image. So let's use the brush option. And as you can see, it's now on add blur, and we can adjust the brush size, and you can adjust the intensity. And let's say we want to make blur on this house right here, and as you can see now, it's the house is now blurred. And let's say we want to have a little bit less intensity on this. We can actually remove the blur again, and then we can adjust the intensity slider again, and then we can blur it again. So this is how to blur in Canva. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.